Welcome to A Square Maths Academy. Today we are going to discuss about binomial theorem. Now let us start the class. So x plus a whole power of n is equals to nc0 x power of n a power of 0 plus nc1 x power of n minus 1 a power of 1 plus up to so on ncn x power of 0 a power of n. So this is called a binomial expansion. Okay, so in this binomial expansion we know the general term also. So that is nothing but tr plus 1 is equals to ncr x power of n minus r a power of r. So this is the general term of given expansion. Okay, so in this general term we know that here how many terms are there. First of all, so this is first term. How to get first term? Put r equals to 0. Put r equals to 0, then what we get here? We get here first one. Okay, so put r equals to n. R equals to n, we get here this term. Okay, put r equals 0, we get here this one. Okay, put r equals 0, here 0 is there. We substitute here r equals 0, 0 plus 1, that is nothing but nc0 x power of n minus 0 is nothing but n a power of 0. Put r equals to n, so that is nothing but this is t1. Okay, next put r equals to n, what we get here? Tn plus 1 we get here ncn x power of n minus n, that is nothing but 0 a power of n we get here. So that is nothing but we get here this one. Okay, so observe this one here. This is t1. First one is t1. Last one is tn plus 1. So how many terms are exist here in this expansion? N plus 1 terms are exist here in this expansion. Okay, n plus 1 terms are exist here. Okay, so we know the binomial expansion directly also I will write here. So that is nothing but here n is there. Whole power of n is there. So I will write here 1 adding for that n, that means here. So we have n plus 1 terms. Suppose x plus a whole power of 30 is there. How many terms are exist here? Or you know that here already 30 plus 1, that is nothing but 31 terms are exist here. అంటే మనకు ఇక్కడ పవర్ ఎంత ఉందో తెలిస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్గా మనకు అందులో ఉన్న టర్మ్స్ అనేవి తెలుస్తాయి. క్లియర్? ఇది బైనామియల్ ఎక్స్పాన్షన్కి ఓకే. సపోజ్ ట్రైనామియల్ ఇస్ దేర్. హౌ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ హియర్ ట్రైనామియల్? అంటే బైనామియల్కి వచ్చేసరికి మనకు ఈజీగానే ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తుంది. ఇట్లా ఎన్ని టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయంటే ఓకే, అక్కడ పవర్ ఎంత ఉందో దానికి ఒకటి ఎక్స్ట్రా యాడ్ చేస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్గా అన్ని టర్మ్స్ ఉంటాయని మనకు తెలిసిపోతుంది. ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ హోల్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ n ఉంది కాబట్టి వీఆర్ యాడింగ్ ఓన్లీ 1 ఫర్ పవర్. సో దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ n plus 1 terms are exist here. So like this here, x plus whole power 30 is there, so 31 terms are exist here. 20 is there, 21 terms are exist here. Okay, 15 is there, 15 plus 1, 16 terms are exist for binomial expansion. Clear? Now how to take a trinomial or multinomial? See here. First of all, we take here x plus y plus z whole square we take here. That is nothing but a plus b plus c whole square form is there. So how many terms are exist here? We know the expansion of a plus b plus c whole square. So I will write here like that: x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Clear? So how many terms are exist here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of terms 6. Okay, number of terms 6. Clear? Right? How to write that one directly without doing expansion? Okay, right? So how to take here? So here 2 is there, power 2 is there. Okay, right? So how to find directly? See here, 4 into 3 by 2. 4 into 3 by 2 we write here. So 4 into 3 by 2 is nothing but here that values we write here. 2 ones are 2 2s are, so we get here 6. Okay, directly I will write here. Next one, so number of terms of x plus y plus z whole cube, x plus y plus z whole power of 4, x plus y plus z whole power of 5, x plus y plus z whole power of 6. See how to find out. See here. Here 3 is there, so we write here 3. Here 3 terms are there. 3 terms are there. So we are adding only 2 terms for 3, so we get here 5. Okay, right? So 5 into 4 by 2 into 1. So that is nothing but 2 terms, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 5 into 2, 10 terms are exist here. Okay. Next one, see here. Here 4 is there. So we are adding again 2 for 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So 6 into 5 by 2 into 1. So 2 ones are 2 threes are. So 15 terms are exist here. Okay. Next one. Here also 3 terms are there. So we are adding only 2 for 5 here. 5 power. So 7 into 6 by 2 into 1. So 2 threes are. So 21 terms are exist here. Next one. Same here also. We are adding 2 for 6. That is nothing but 8. We get here 8 into 7 by 2 into 1. So 2 ones are 2 fours are. So 28. So here previous already we know that here x plus y plus z whole square is there. Okay. So we are adding only 2 for 4. So what we get here? 4 we get here. 4 into 3 by 2 into 1. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. That's why we get here 3 twos are 6. Okay. So we got here x plus y plus z whole square has 6 terms. Number of terms of x plus y plus z whole square expansion is nothing but 6. So we use here, suppose 3 terms are there like this here. Okay, suppose 4 terms are there. So how to find out? C here. Right now, a plus b plus c plus d whole cube, a plus b plus c plus d whole power of 4, a plus b plus c plus d whole power of 5. Okay, how to find out? C here. Here 4 terms are exist here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, right? So in 4 terms how to take here? 4 ఉంది కాబట్టి 3 కి ఇక్కడ 3 పవర్ కి ఏమైనా 4 ఉంటే 3 యాడ్ చేయండి. సో 3 ప్లస్ 3 6. 6 into 5 into 4 by 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, so 20 terms are exist here. Clear? Next, again 4 here 4 terms are exist here. So we are adding 3 for 4. So 3 plus 4, that is nothing but 7. 7 into 6 into 5 by 3 into 2 into 1. So again we get here 7 into 5, 35. 3 to the 6, so 6 cancel, we get 35. Next same here also. Here we are adding 4 terms are there. So we are adding 3 for 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 into 7 into 6 by 3 into 2 into 1. So 3 to the 6, so 7 8s are 56 terms are exist here. Okay. Now see here. So we form like this. So a1 plus a2 plus a3 up to so on ak whole power of n is equals to how much? So number of terms, how many there are? 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on k. K terms are exist here. Okay, k terms are exist here. So how to write here in previous problems here? So suppose here 4 is there, here 3 terms are there. So we are adding 2 for 4. Here n is there power, here k terms are there. We are adding k minus 1 for this one. Okay. So suppose here 4 is there, here 3 terms are there. So we are adding 2 for 4. Here n is there power, here k terms are there. We are adding k minus 1 for this one. Okay. So that is nothing but n plus k minus 1. K minus 1. N plus 1, n plus k minus 1, c k minus 1. So how to write c here? N plus 1, n plus k minus 1, c k minus 1. So k minus 1, k minus 1 is same. Why? Because how to see here? Here k terms are there. అంటే కే టర్మ్స్ ఉంటే అందులోకి ఒకటి తీసేసి దాన్ని ఎన్కి యాడ్ చేసి సి ఇక్కడ ఆ టర్మ్ ఏదో తీసుకోవాలి. మనకు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ a ప్లస్ బి ప్లస్ సి హోల్ క్యూబ్ ఈజ్ దేర్. సో ఇందులోకి ఒకటి తీసేయమని చెప్పిన 3 టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఒకటి తీసేస్తే ఎంత అవుతుంది? 2 అవుతుంది. 2ని దీనికి యాడ్ చేస్తే ఎంత అవుతుంది? 5 అవుతుంది. అంటే 5c 2. ఓకే, ఇందులోకి వెళ్ళి 2 వస్తుంది. 2 యాడ్ చేయాలి, ఇక్కడ తీసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ 2ని యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్గా తీసుకోవాలి. సేమ్ ఇదే మాదిరిగా n+1 n+k-1 ck-1 మాదిరిగా. సో 5c2 దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ 5 into 4 by 2 into 1. సో 2 1s are 2 2s are. సో 10 terms are exist. a plus b plus c whole cube. Number of terms is 10. Okay.